What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift roller coaster construction update. And you may notice it's a little dark out. It's 9 p.m. We're going to be doing a nighttime update to watch crews putting up some stuff. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. It's kind of funny. I rope dropped the parking garage, and now everybody is leaving. Yep, back again. Well, good news. I can already see the crane is in the air. And their hours when they work are about 8 p.m. until about 8 a.m. They do have a little bit of setup time beforehand, and then of course tear down before they go home. But most of the work usually around 9 o'clock to about 7 a.m. And there's Fast and Furious with drones right there on the site. That's amazing. And we've made it to Hard Rock. There's the crane right there. Alright, let's go up to the top deck and see what's going on. Looks like a lot of brake fins right now. Alright, brake fins are in the air, and we have crews over here on the mid-course ready. So maybe 5 minutes have gone by and another set of brake fins are going in. These guys are moving quick. So I don't see any track on site, so it looks like it is going to be just a brake fin night for the guys over here, unless something gets delivered a little bit later tonight. Remember, City Walk closes at 12 a.m. I am not staying until 12 a.m. But they'll be working until 7 a.m. So that's a lot of time potentially get some other things done, but I'm thinking it's just going to be brake fins. And part of the reason why the S-bend is not in place is because they're moving equipment to go along the track here right now. So yeah, we're not going to see any track going in probably tonight for that S-bend. And another set going up now. Still plenty of brake fins over here. They got a lot going up tonight. Alright, so it's about 10:30 at night, and another set heading up. And just so you guys can see, look how many brake fins have gone up tonight, that entire line. Well, look what I see, folks. We have track arriving to the site. Another one. Yep, another set going up. And then from what I can see, there's only one more set of 5 fins, and then 2 sets of smaller 2 brake fins. Alright, so crews were fighting this set of brake fins for at least 20-30 minutes, and right now they said, you know what, screw it, we're taking it out, we're going to try something else. Looks like they repositioned a couple of the straps, and they are going to try again. Fingers crossed. Well, the part that was fighting them for a very long time is now finally in. And remember earlier how we said there were 2 sets of pairs? Well, they're going in right now. Alright, well, the crane operator turned off the crane for right now. It's a little after midnight. And I think crews are about to take a break, maybe? I don't know. But we still got the track piece over there on the flatbed. That's going to be coming off a little bit later, but I got to get out of here. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to see any track go up tonight, but I doubt this is the last time I'm going to be doing a night update. So, yeah. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift roller coaster construction at night. Yeah, exciting stuff. A lot. And I mean a lot of brake fins just went in on that mid-course. Looks like they're all done with them, in fact. They just got to put the bolts in, tighten everything up. We had a track delivery. Looked like it was track element 93. So we'll be interested to see where that goes. We'll have plenty more updates from here. So if you like what we do, Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.